Welcome to my channel, Life's Little Hacks. For those of you that know the channel, that like and subscribe, I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to get these trims on your MG4 looking as good as new. Now, I was in the valeting industry for 25 years and I have used many products. I'm going to show you, it's almost like a trade secret. It's one of the best products out there, I can guarantee you. By the way, if you want to see the link for that, search, you'll find it. I did a story on that last week. This is the product, Autoglym Bumper and Trim Gel. Honestly, it is the best you can get. I'll put a link. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so anything you click on, you link, you buy. I earn a small commission, but the price you pay doesn't change. All I do is I test it for you and save you wasting countless pounds on products that won't work. This does. At the moment, I'll put a link. It's £11.50 for a bottle. This bottle will last you at least 5 years. At least 5 years. One application lasts at least 6 months. Now, all you need for this application is make sure you've washed the car, make sure the car is clean and dry. Use a kitchen sponge, but make sure you remove the scouring section. Just rip it off. That's all you need. Don't worry about these expensive applicators. You don't need them. With this product, little goes a long way. So the less you use, the better. And we're talking about that much. It's a tiny amount. Now, what you do, you'll see this plastic transform. As soon as we put the product on the plastic, you see how it changes. Now, unlike other products, silicone spray, WD-40, they all look fantastic. But after about a week, and those of you that know about this, when it rains, you'll have a residue that comes down here and it looks awful. This stuff will not do that. So I'll go along this edge here, and then camera lady will come round the back of me and you'll be able to see the difference straight away. And we've got a little mark there. I'm not sure if the camera will pick that up, but as you apply the product, that mark doesn't totally disappear, but it certainly does improve it. So we just rub this product along here. I'll just finish there for you. What will happen over the next few hours, this product will soak in to the plastics and it will really transform how your MG4 trims look. Now, don't forget, if you know someone who's got dodgy trims, they want some gel like this, it'll do all sorts of vehicles from A to Z. Get over, click on the link and purchase some of this stuff. £11.50, discounted, I think, from... We're not going to re-record that, guys, so we'll leave that microphone there. Sorry if it made you jump. Put that back up there. The link is available, as I say, down below in the comments. It's £11.50 at the moment, reduced from $15.99, I believe. So in conclusion, this stuff is the best on the market. Trust me. Look what it's done to these side sections here. It's absolutely brilliant. Now, what I would also say, head over, click on the link, get your product, share your reviews on what it's like. Anybody can use this for any vehicle. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and look at all my other features that I've got on my channel. Thanks for watching. And you know what, guys? I'll see you on the next one.